Hi students, welcome to video lecture. Topic: Software testing. Software testing. Software testing is a evaluation of the software against requirements gathered from user and system specification. So, the software testing is a process used to identify the correctness, completeness, and the quality of developed computer software. It includes a set of activities conducted with the intent of finding errors in softwares so that it could be correct before the product is released to the end user. On the other hand, in a simple word, software testing is an activity to check that the software system is defect free. Software testing comprises of following two phases: validation, verification. Software validation. Validation is a process of examining whether or not the software satisfies the user requirement. So, validation is the process does the product perform as desired. Validation ensures that the product under development is as per the user requirements. Validation answers the question: are we developing the product which attempts all the user needs from this software? Validation emphasizes on user requirement. Next, software verification. Software verification means does the product meet its specification? So, verification is the process of confirming if the software is meeting the business requirements and is developed adhering to proper specification and methodology. Verification ensures the product being developed is according to the design specification. So, verification is mainly concentrated on the design and the system specification. Verification answers the question: are we developing this product by firmly followed all the design specification? Here we will see types of testing. There are two types of testing. One is manual testing, another one is automated testing. So, manual testing is performed without taking help of automated tools. The software tester prepares test cases for different sections and levels of the code, execute the test and report to the result to manager. Manual testing is time and resource consuming. The tester need to confirm whether or not right test case are used. Major portion of the testing is involved manual testing. Next, automated testing. This testing is a testing procedure done with aid automated testing tools. The limitation with manual testing can be overcome using automated test tools. Next, we will see testing approaches. There are two types of testing approaches. One, functionality testing. Second, implementation testing. So, from functionality testing taking care of unit testing, integration testing. Implementation testing taking care of scalability, usability, so on. When functionality is being tested without taking the actual implementation in concern, it is known as black box testing. Other side is known as white box testing, where not only functionality is tested but the way it is implemented is also analyzed. In this slide we will discuss about black box testing. So, what is black box testing? It is carried out to test functionalities of the program. It is also called as a behavioral testing. In this testing method, the design and structure of the code are not known to the tester, and testing engineers and end user conduct this test on the software. In black box testing, we just focus on the input and the output of the software system without bothering about internal knowledge of the software. Next, white box testing. It is conducted to test program and its implementation in order to improve code efficiency or structure. It is also known as structural testing. In this testing method, the design and the structure of the code are known to the tester. Programmer of the code conduct this test on the code. So, white box testing is focused primarily on verifying the flow of input and outputs through the application, improving design and usability, strengthening security, White box testing is also known as clear box testing, open box testing, structural testing, transparent box testing, code bus testing, and glass box testing. Next, testing levels. The testing process runs parallel to software development. Before jumping on the next stage, a stage is tested, validated, and verified. Software is tested on various levels. They are unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and regression testing. Unit testing. Unit testing helps developer decide the individual units of the program are working as per requirement and are error free. So unit testing focus on the smallest element of the software design. It's called modules. It make heavy use of white box testing. Next, integration testing. Even if the units of software are working fine individually, there is a need to find out if the units, if integrated together, would also work without errors. The integration testing is the process of testing the interface between the two software units or modules. Next, system testing. The software is compiled as a product and then it is tested as whole. This can be accomplished using one or more of the following tests. Functionality testing. Test all the functionalities of the software against the requirement. Performance testing. This test proves how efficient the software is. Security and probability. This test is done when the software is meant to work on the various platforms and accessed by the number of persons. Regression testing. Whenever a software product is updated with a new code, feature, or functionality, it is tested thoroughly to detect if there is any negative impact of the added code. This is known as regression testing. Regression testing means the testing process that is done to find a regression in the system after done any changes in the product. Regression testing is required when there is a changes requirement and the code is modified according to the requirement. New feature is added to a software. Defect fixing. Performance issue fix.